Welcome to Sustainable Innovation YouTube channel, and we are going to showcase you how youths in Kisumu County are making real impact in aquaculture farming. As the system mentioned itself, this is a RAS system, recirculating aquaculture system, and at this component, we're going to show you how the rotating dam is being used to remove the solid waste, how this biofilter is also being used in wastewater purification for aquaculture farming. Stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe. Share the link with your network so that we can together learn and make impact in this area.
Okay, my name is Gilbert Omonde, a member of Victoria Aquaculture Youth Group. So here is a recirculating aquaculture system. So clean water from the MBR that has passed through the UV is being pumped to a biofiltration sump. So this is the biofiltration sump. Inside the biofiltration sump, we have biomedia chips for biological filtration of that water. Because with fish farming, you want to evade ammonia as much as possible. And you want to ensure that your water is safe, because water quality parameter is a prime factor in fish farming. So it is fitted with biomedia chips that will allow, these are biomedia chips, they are designed to provide maximum surface area for bacteria that is responsible to break down ammonia to attach on. So you need as much bacteria as possible to ensure that the ammonia load are kept at minimum. Okay, from the biofiltration sump, the water is pumped to the header tank, where it flows back to the fish tanks via gravity. And then part of the water is passed through a protein schema. Remember, fish feeds are enriched with protein. So crude protein is very essential for fish growth. So excess protein is being filtered on the protein schema, and the waste, which is the excess protein, it is in a form, it comes in a form. So from the excess form that comes as a result of protein that is in that water is being flushed out, is being flushed out by opening this valve, and we ensure that this water flows back to the main treatment ponds, and to ensure continuity of that water. However, this water can also be tapped back to the vegetable garden because it is rich in nutrients. It can be tapped back to the vegetable garden to farm and to produce vegetables rather than using the fertilizers that are being bought from the shops. So water from the fish tanks with all the fecal waste are discharged via gravity, where they enter a drum filter collecting box. This is the drum filter collecting box, where all the water from all the fish tanks first settle in, and then they are being injected into the drum filter itself. So the drum filter is a mechanical filtration process that ensures all the residues, all the fecal waste of the fish are trapped inside. It has a backwash pump with a level sensor. Level sensor from behind here. Level sensor is somewhere here. With a level sensor. So once the water level reaches the level sensor, the backwash pump will pick on automatically, and it will splash water. You can record here in this form. So as it splashes water, all those fecal waste and other waste food remains will drop in a basin inside. There's a basin inside that traps all the waste, and all those waste are being channeled back, and they go to the main treatment ponds outside. However, you can also divert, that is why we have this. You can divert this one and have separate tanks to harness that water, because that water is rich in phosphates, it's rich in nutrients that can be used to farm vegetables in the garden. So you can produce a healthy vegetable by just using fecal waste and fish water to have vegetables that are healthy, enriched, and friendly to the human body. We always advocate as members of Victoria Aquaculture Youth Group that farmers to farm what they eat, at least let them know the sources of what they consume, because what we consume is what is killing us. So we always advise that whenever you buy a vegetable, if you cannot farm, at least ensure you know the source, ensure you know how the farmer produces the vegetables. So we always encourage that water from the fish tanks, including all the waste, be channeled to the vegetable garden. You have enough fertilizer, with enough nutrients for your vegetables.
Thanks so much for watching this episode. Please leave for us a comment, share, and let us know from which direction you are watching from. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next episode.